sound. This is our breathy sound. Remember Happy Hippo? He says, breathe out and feel your breath on your hand. Awesome. Now we're going to do our warm-up. I'll go first, and then it's your turn. Hey. Good job. Make it a breathy sound. He. Hi. Ho. Who. That's right, you made it a breathy sound. Let's play. I have some H words hiding in my bean bin. Let's see what we can find. Hat. Your turn. You say hat. Good job. Use your breathy sound. You should feel your breath on your hand. Hat. You know what? This hat goes to my Mr. Potato head. Look, my Mr. Potato head has a green hat. He looks really happy. He's gonna wave, hi, hi. Bye, Mr. Potato Head. What else is inside my bean bin? Heart. You say heart. Use your breathy sound. Heart. Aw, this heart is squishy. What else is in my bean bin? Nay, nay. Horse. Your turn. You say horse. Use your breathy sound. This is a pretty horse. I would like to ride a horse. Bye, horse. This is my last H word. Hamburger. I want to eat. That is so yummy. Hamburger. Can you say hamburger? Use your breathy sound. We found all my H words.